Hi friends, hope you are well. Today I going to show you how you can configure your Microsoft Office 365 business plan and connect this Office 365 email account with a email sending software like Sales Handy or Outlook plugin and send your first cold email marketing campaign. So before we start, we need to know what is cold email marketing. A cold email is an initial email that is sent to a receiver in order to gain a benefit in terms of favor, sales opportunity, or any other dual sided gain. So I think hope you are clear. So before set up the Office 365 plan, we need to choose a business plan of Office 365. To select a plan, we need to go to Office 365 website. Office 365 website. Office 365. Plan. Click select business. I recommend you to select Microsoft 365 Business Standard because it offers Office 365 software, desktop software, so that you can connect your Office 365 with Outlook and can send your email campaign. And for tracking your email campaign, you can install Sales Handy add-on with Outlook. I doing my cold email marketing campaign using this system. It's really helpful and getting almost 20 to 30% and sometimes 50% open rate using this system. Some of my clients ask me that he using dedicated email server and a good software, but his email not delivered in inbox to the Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo. So to solve this situation, I suggest you to configure Office 365 plan and use a good email sending software like Sales Handy for managing your email campaign and automatic reply, autoresponder, etc. Sales Handy is good. I use this, that's why I recommending this software. So we don't need to talk anymore. Let's start our setup. You just select Microsoft Office 365 Business Plan Standard. They offer also 1 month try. I already purchased the Office 365 plan, so need to log in. I already logged in. You can download Office 365, install Office. If you choose $5 plan, then you can install Office 365 within your PC. I already installed Office 365. After logging into your Office 365, you will see a user interface like this. Then click admin. Then go to show all, then click setting, then click domain, then click add a new domain. I already added a domain. Click this domain, then click continue setup, continue. MX record, so we need to add a MX record. Just copy this value, go to Namecheap domain, click DNS and click add new record, select email for custom MX record, paste the value, priority will be 10, hostname will be @ then click save all changes. So we added MX record. Now we need to add a CNAME record. Just copy, select record type CNAME, paste the value, hostname will be auto discover, paste and save. Very nice. So click text record, just copy. This is a SPF record that I going to add new record, type will be text, paste the value, hostname will be @, then click save changes. So we added MX record, SPF record and a CNAME record. Just go ahead, click continue. So done, boom. So what's next? In the next step, now I going to add a DKIM record. For adding DKIM record, you need to go to setting, then click complaints, so after clicking to the complaint, from here you can check your complaint report, email campaign complaint report, IP reputation report, etc. So we going to add DKIM record, right? For adding DKIM record, go to admin, show all, click exchange, select classic exchange as admin center, go to protection, click DKIM, then select this domain, sign in message for this domain. When you need to enable this option by writing some command in the PowerShell. By default it will be not enabled, you will not see this option, so you need to enable this. So to enable this, before enable this, we need to add 2 DNS record inside our domain. I already generated 2 DNS record, so I going to add this record in my domain. These will be 2 DKIM record, and I rotating to DKIM record for ensure mail. So for ensure maximum inbox ratio, I going to DKIM rotation. I going to do DKIM rotation so that it will be not get blacklisted easily if I do DKIM rotation. Just copy this value. You need to generate this value by writing some command. Here is the command script that I added to the PowerShell for enable DKIM record. Just copy this value. Select add new record. Type will be CNAME record. Just paste the value. First name will be selector one.domain key. Copy and paste. Click save. Select another CNAME record. Select CNAME record. First name will be selected to. Copy. Paste. Selected to. Just copy. And click save changes. So we added both SPF, DKIM, DMARC and MX record for our Office 365 account. Let's verify the DKIM record. Click DKIM and click enable. So we already enable the DKIM record. It's working fine. Just go to Office 365, click Outlook, and let's send a test email to the mail tester and check our SPF, DKIM, DMARC record whether it's working or not, and check the setup score of our Office 365. Okay, very nice. Let's test our mail server. Go to mail tester. Mail tester. Just copy and click new message. Write a subject line test email. This email is sent for testing all DNS record. Click send. Let's check. Then check your score. Finally, boom, 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 we got 10 out of 10 of our Office 365 account setup score. Check, this is our from email address, IAM@, and check SPF, DKIM. So we added SPF, DKIM and MX record. Now we need to add a DMARC record. It is super easy. For adding DMARC record, go to easy demarc GENERATOR select mail to inboxsem@gmail.com. Copy, paste. Subdomain policy none. SPF identifier alignment relax. Percentage applied to 100. DKIM identifier alignment relax. 86,400. Then click generate DKIM demarc record. Just copy and paste. Click add new record, then text. Hostname will be underscore demarc and paste the below. So though we already get 10 out of 10 setup score in our mail tester account and configure our Office 365 properly, but Office 365 email account have a limitation. If you send more than 10k email per day, then you will get blacklisted. Microsoft Office 365 allow only 10k email per day, but it is better to send average 3k or 3000 or 5000 email per day. Before sending 5000 email at once, you need to do a little bit warm up of your domain reputation. For getting more inbox ratio, I recommend you to do domain warm up. Though Microsoft Office 365 IP is warm up, but you need to do domain warm up for maximum inbox ratio in Outlook Hotmail. If you can write good subject line and email content, I definitely can give you guarantee that you will get up to 60% open rate, because from my experience I can say that Office 365 email account is the one account that they allow to send email in inbox easily to Outlook or Yahoo. If you can write, just you need to write a good subject line and content aside of server setup properly. So you will get your first client by doing cold email marketing, by configuring this system. So let me show you how you can connect this Office 365 account with a sending software. By default, Office 365 don't allow to track email campaign, track open rate. So I going to connect Office 365 with Outlook and install Sales Handy add-on. So open Outlook. So before connecting Outlook, we need to delete our existing email account. Go to control panel, then click user account, then select mail Microsoft Outlook, then click email account. Just remove this account. Okay, apply. So I just deleted my previous Outlook account and connect this new email account with Outlook. click sign in. This is the important part of login, so I push the video right now. So I just logged in and connected my Office 365 email account with our desktop Outlook software. Click done. Okay. Maybe I getting trouble to log in. I have to reset again. Control panel, user account, mail, Microsoft account. Click add profile name, Outlook. Okay. Hold on. Email address. I push the video. So I finally added my account. So let's open Outlook again. Maybe it will take some time to connect Outlook. So I push the video. It's already connected. So right now we can send email from Outlook, but we cannot track any email campaign. So we need to download a Outlook add-on, Sales Handy add-on for Sales Handy add-on or plugin for tracking the email campaign. So for install the Sales Handy tracking software for Outlook, just go to Sales Handy website. Sales Handy. Turn your email into growth. Just click login or click sign up for free. Sign up with Google. So after sign up to Sales Handy account, we need to install Outlook plugin. Click So we are going to install Sales Handy plugin software in our PC. Click next, click next, click next. Close. Click get add-on. After installing Sales Handy plugin, you need to click get added option. My add-in, add custom add-in, add from file. After installing the Sales Handy plugin, we need to reinstall. We need to reopen our Outlook. So close this Outlook. Just open again. Close. Then click file, then account setting, then click file, then manage, then click manage add-in. Click option, then click add-in. So we need to Sales Handy, then click go, then click select, then click OK. OK. Then click new mail. Option, then click add-in and select Sales Handy and click go. Just add. Okay. So here is our Sales Handy plugin. We already installed successfully, and I already showed you the process. So let's send a test email and check whether Sales Handy email tracker, Outlook email tracker working or not. Click new email, then write a subject line. If you want to send HTML email template, then you can connect your Outlook with Sales Handy directly for sending HTML email campaign. Click to inboxsen.333@gmail.com. Write a subject line test email. I sent this test email for checking Outlook email tracking working or not. Click send. Mr. Daily. Okay, maybe we need to log in with our Sales ND. Click login. Sales ND. Maybe we need to log in to our Sales ND. I just push the video here. So you need to install with Sales. So you need to log in. So after installing Sales Handy within your Outlook account, you need to log in to your Sales Handy using the following address: Linux. Then click login. So I already logged into the Sales Handy. So I already sent a test email. Let's check to my inbox. My mail landed directly to the inbox. Let's check the open in Sales Handy. For checking the opening rate, you need to log into your Sales Handy account. Let's send another test email. Sales Handy is a very nice tool you can use. You will see lot of feature: automation, email campaign, email sequence. Then the main benefit is that you can connect your Outlook email account with Office 365. They already integrated Sales Handy with Outlook. It's very good for cold email marketing. Click add account. For connecting Outlook email account, just follow this step with Sales Handy. Click Microsoft, click continue. So I connected Sales Handy. So I connected my Office 365 email account with Sales Handy. Then we need to set up a custom domain. Save. maybe we need to add a custom domain. If we upgrade this plan, we can use custom domain or to improve our deliverability. So that's it. If you face any issue to configure Sales Handy and Outlook, you can send a test email. You can send email to my, you can send email. Here I share my, here I give you my email, WhatsApp and Skype. For any, I will give you all answer of your question. So thank you for watching, and start sending your fast cold email campaign by using Outlook and Sales Handy, using Microsoft Office 365, Outlook and Sales Handy, and get your fast sale. Best of luck. If you have any question for this setup, and if you face any issue, you can ask any question. I give you my WhatsApp number and email in the description box. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my website. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am new to the YouTube channel, and I'm trying to upload good YouTube video, and try to making good video. And that's it. Bye bye.